What's up, everybody? It's March 18th, 2021. I'm super excited about this video to show you the Romentum indicator that I built. It's a game changer, but it's not only that, it's an actual training system that goes with it to show you step by step by step exactly what we've been taking these trades in the VIP group, minus a couple of them with FOMC yesterday, which, it's FOMC, it's hard to, that's like a slight thing, but when markets are moving like they're doing now, like normal, without these massive central bank news events, crazy results. So this is going to be available on Friday. I've already sent it out to the accelerator group. They're going through it, and it's going to get people funded. It's going to just be that last missing piece of the puzzle that you all were missing in your trading game to build the trust where you're actually, it's like in my trainings, I always say that, well, there's always another trade, which is true. But the problem with that is, yeah, there's always another trade, but I have to pick it. And I don't trust myself. And I don't trust the markets. And I don't trust which way where the trend might change. And I won't know. And I don't really, I know what I've been doing. I've been doing this for 3 years, but I still don't trust myself. I don't know when to close a trade. And so but combined with the strategy that I've made that goes with it, now you can close out your trades, and you know that tomorrow there's going to be winning trades coming through, and you'll have a whole different situation. Instead of looking at your phone and it being all red, you'll be able to look at your phone and see blue numbers, right? So it's a whole different feeling. It makes you feel good on the inside instead of, because we've all had it, when it's all red, and you're hanging out with your friends and you look down and like, well, it's just a shit show, and you just like set your phone down and don't even say anything. We've all had that feeling if you've been around long enough. So like, this is gonna push you past that. You'll hopefully learn to build some trust in the system and the trades, the fact that it works, and it's a game changer. So let me just show you some of the trades that we took today in our VIP group. So if this is something you'd like to be a part of, click the link below, and get started with this. So here we are. This is the Romentum. We're in a sorry, I'm trying to curse less. Sometimes I grew up in the South, so I used to do that kind of bit sometimes down here. So a huge move to the downside. And the thing about it is, we're not changing our standard technical analysis, right? This isn't about like, it says buy, so I buy. It says sell, so I sell it. It's not like that. You still got to learn to read the markets. You still got to have your own strategies. I still use IT setups, or, looking for pullbacks to find the best entries. Still thinking about, hey, where's this market going, right? So these are still my targets up here. These nice imbalances and orders waiting to be filled. But this is pound CAD, right? And so like I had already had my mind on not really a strong pound, but a bearish Canadian dollar because of CJ. It's just so overextended. I knew that from my own market analysis. So and I teach this in the academy. Where can I take advantage of this, right? And so here we are, pound CAD move across right here. You can see we're breaking out. We have this big divergence, huge divergence here. This is just on the hourly. And these changing bars is actually volume. So you can see there's less bullish volume here. You can customize these colors. I'm kind of stuck in green and red, but less volume coming in, more bearish coming out. And you can see that coming in, filling up, and then we have a good old-fashioned divergence showing us that this turn's about the same to change. So the good thing about divergence is, previously, this was my thought about it. Man, it's great when it works, right? And so like I wanted to figure out a way to like, how can I actually know when this is actually going to change and when markets are done? And this is really kind of fulfills that question, right? So this is a bit of a support that we made after this big uptrend. This on the 4 hour, and we had a huge sell-off here. So really, this is a counter trend trade. The most ideal setup is going to be getting short up here on 1.7500. I think it's going to be even better play. But here I feel pretty good about the fact that taking both sides of this market. Here's a push up, retest. This is where it got in and was really looking at the cross here, and now making a move higher. So regardless that whatever happens, I do stop loss that entry, already taken some profits, you know, and this is the thing, you know. So let me take a look at CAD yen. So this is our new entry point on it. We were selling the crap out of it earlier this week. Here had some results, here had some results, got short again here, not off the indicator. I should have listened to it, obviously. This was a move for falling FOMC yesterday, and just got too early. But the thing is I already established this big market bias that, man, this thing is super overdone. You can see the amount of volume coming in. It's just huge, and it's on its way out on the daily. And so then I go in and then look and wait. I've already established what's going to happen, but I need that extra bit of confirmation and knowingness that, hey, things are about to change. And then once we did that, we have a nice breakdown here. So, you know, I already have my technical analysis, just to be clear, but now I have that extra bit of confirmation that stop loss that entry, and I don't have to really worry about, man, how long do I want to stay in this thing? You know, once I start seeing some big divergences and confirming across different time frames, then I can assess myself that, hey, it's time to get out of this, right? But right now, I'm not worried about it, and we're 35 pips in profit and already hit TP1 and TP2. So that's CAD yen. AJ's taking a little bit more time here, but we're in Aussie yen, and I'm feeling really good about this regardless because of just the amount. It's just a matter of time. So this thing just plummets. We got a big move higher on US 30 today, but I'm still looking for this to go lower as well. We just haven't got the right confirmations on Romentum here that's going to give me that where I feel good about it. It's time. I'm not getting in early, not getting in late. And the trades that I have taken that I've missed this week, I was not taking off here. I was getting in too early. And that's the big problem. So that's AJ, that we're still writing it in profits now. I think our entry was, we're like right back at entry, I think. So I don't know if I'll re-enter this or not, but you know, we have some good looking targets down here. Another one down here that I previously diagrammed. So it's super exciting, and the biggest thing about it is that it works. There's a ton of indicators out there, and it's just like, I'm not a big person on them, but I was like, okay, if I can take this from this, and this from this, and then, you know, figure out, test it on my own with the own way I trade, which especially people that are in the VIP group, you know, been through my academy, maybe been through my Market Maker Pro course, that looking for IT entries and imbalances, that kind of thing. And how can I tie all this together and make a system that really more than anything just gives me confidence that, you know, I know when to enter, I know when to exit, and I feel good about this setup altogether. So so that being said, super excited. I got to finish up these training videos that go with it. It's awesome. It's probably one of the best things I've ever done. So can't wait to get that out to you, and can't wait to see your results, to just see that extra bit of confidence where you're like, okay, yes, I finally get it now. It all works, and I can actually be profitable. So getting that working overtime to make it happen for you. I appreciate you. And to get started, click the link below. Can't wait to see you in the group. Peace.